Hey, g'day, my name's Paul Mead. I am the Chief Strategy Officer for a business called Sheaflies, and we've been using Avon for just over the last 12 months in the startup phase of our business. And couldn't speak highly enough of Avon's skills, experience, and the work that he has done for us. When we started Sheaflies, a few of us, we've been in business before, and we know the value in having fantastic systems set up and processes to actually be able to save yourself time, but also to provide a superior experience for our customers. And so we invested from the start in getting this right with this new business. And this is what Avon provided us, was that ability to get these systems and processes set up faster, but not only faster, but more efficiently, and making sure that they worked properly. So we got Avon to map out our customer journey for us, and what we really wanted to be done in terms of systems and processes within the business. And we set up CRMs, email systems. We have set up task management systems, a whole range of things that have really helped to reduce the time that it takes our staff, but not only the time, but also just, as I said, making sure that our customers are serviced in the best way possible. So if you're looking for someone to come in and help with your business processes, because you're finding that there's inefficiencies in there, or you just know that there's a better way of doing things, then you can't highly recommend Avon enough to come in and help you solve your problems. Thanks very much.